Hello everyone, now we're going to discuss a new project that we're going to do for our friend. So this is a friend of Mr. Wayan that's already stay a very long time at Villa Baru Cepaka. And the name is Mr. Berry. Mr. Berry wants to make a renovation project at Tibubeneng, Kecamatan Kuta Utara, Badung. So less or more, let's see on the field. We're going to meet with the client and discuss everything there about this project.
But as long as the zoning is yellow.
Yeah, okay. What's the zoning?
ETR, I said not yet checked.
Okay.
So as long as the ETR is yellow, we built, finished building, they're gonna be processed for permit letter. But in the beginning, we just apply for SLF.
Okay.
For the permit now, they need a specialist for we call SKA, the license of the architect,
Yep.
license of the civil engineer,
Yep.
the license of MEP, electric plumbing.
Yep.
So the three items of this guy gonna be interviewed and responsibility for the building. That's the new renovation. They are planned before to build this,
Yeah.
and then this is public area.
Okay.
for
You can sharing parking.
and then they have
Access
for
goes to
parking.
the
But now,
But since you
maybe
take this
they
one, yeah,
take the one like this,
Yeah.
and
they don't have access.
they don't have access, or they're gonna be give to you the 3.2.
For a cheap price.
So that was the meeting on the site. We meet with Mr. Berry, our beloved client, and also with Pak Wayan from the Dewata Karya. And there also we meet with the landowner, the property owner. So basically, Mr. Berry want to rent this place and change the property into a house, a family house, because Mr. Berry and his family want to stay there. The house land is around like approximately 600 square meter, and it has a small river in front and a piece of land that's still empty across the river after the land. Mr. Berry planning to rent all the land there, but I'm not sure about that because this is still discussion between the owner of the land with our client, Mr. Berry. But for sure, this project is going to be start because they have a deal to rent the piece of land that the main part there, 600 square meter. Okay, I think now is going to be the step for getting the brief from the client. Let's see the progress in the field with Mr. Berry and his wife to check what all requirement that they want to be changed there on the project.
If it needs to be like that, like you put it on an angle like that, so you come up and maybe in a point like that, so it comes across like it's like that, so that you can drain the water off. So that there's no problem with the gutter coming this way. So not just flat like that. You could put it on an angle. Yeah, and not like that.
I don't mind having some unique features about the house. That's what's going to make it.
Yeah.
Like if we need to fix the problems, but just make it
So instead of that,
an
it's
interesting
like that.
design rather than trying to make it look like the rest of everything.
Yeah.
But I'd like in most rooms to have a feature wall, like a textured white wall, not wallpaper, but like actual like plaster texture. And then in terms of like how I'm thinking its style, most rooms, everything will have like built-ins, everything tuck away, and then just a few big pieces of furniture and just a few bits of art. But then
Very clean, very
clean, modern.
Yeah.
Every room will probably have a really big rug in it, so it feels like cozy, like inside. And then inside also plants, and then on the outside quite modern, so black metal, glass, maybe teak wood.
Steel combined with wood and bright
white,
colors.
yeah.
White more.
But we don't want any red paint. We don't want any exposed brick. I think we very want wood, metal, white,
Wood, metal, white.
That's
and then
key.
soft
Yeah.
I need something
furniture.
like that.
Yeah, wood, metal, white.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
the wood is like you said, it's teak, but it's
Raw color.
Raw
Yeah.
with stain, I think.
Yeah, as raw with clear.
Yeah.
Clear. And it doesn't have to be real teak. It's probably better for it to be MDF, and then
Can
we
do.
put the veneer.
Yeah.
It's cheaper and it lasts
Cheaper,
longer, doesn't
yeah.
bend.
Yeah. Put multiplex at the back for the structure,
Yeah.
then the thick layer.
Yeah.
It's look like solid if it's
Yeah,
stuck.
and it's safer too because the teak bends.
Got that. Okay, that's
Yeah.
good. Yeah, they pull down, so it's gonna be just a little bit to get overflow, maybe around like 45. 45. Yeah, 45 that side. So we got an overflow, infinity edge here.
That's good.
So after all the brief that we get from the client, I will explain about the plan that we're going to apply in this project. Now I will show you the existing plan. So you can see here, this is the existing plan. This is the drawing that we have been measured on the field, result after we measure everything on the field. Basically this villa, the area is 600 square meter approximately. In the front they have the parking area. That's the first thing that we are going to be see there, the parking area. Then after we goes inside, we're going to find the kitchen and the dining area. And this property have 4 bedroom. Each bedroom already have their own private bathroom, and the master bedroom is right in the edge, in the end of the property, because this property is very nice. They have like surrounding rice field there, so it's a bit of a pity if we not maximize the view. So right now we have all the wall there is quite high. What I plan to do is to make the height a bit shorter so we can see the view of the rice field or rice paddy there. And yeah, and this is the next drawing that we have been applied there. This is the plan that we're going to do. We're going to change the dining area. We're going to add a sunken couch there. The client wants an area to be sitting there with all the family member. So Mr. Berry and his wife and 2 of their kids, their daughter, they can enjoy the view and also the pool there on the sunken area. But the pool area, we not sure yet that we going to put there in the middle of the garden, or we going to put in the new piece of land across the river in front of the property. We'll see that later. And for the room, before it was like 4 bedroom, now it's going to be changed into 3 bedroom only. 1 bedroom for the parents and 2 bedroom for the kids. And 1 bedroom for the kid and the other bedroom will be for the guests that coming to the house. And also 1 bedroom will be changed into a TV room. That's gonna be the area for play games and yeah, watching movie and everything. So basically this renovation project is very simple because we didn't change all the structure. We keep the basic structure. We only add an additional space for the sunken couch and change the look of the building for sure. For the finishing, we're going to be applied a new material there and new finishing for the painting. For make everything more clear, I will show you now the 3D part. We already finished with the 3D and you can check this progress for the 3D. Okay, that was the first part of the video, Mr. Berry's property, Villa Alba. We already have the decision, we have the final design, and Kori Dewata Karya already have the quotation, has been handed over to the client, and we already have a deal, so we can start as soon as possible. Okay guys, stay tuned in our channel. Let's see how the progress for this project in the next part of the video. Thank you.